Good morning, sir. My name is Carlo Inimer from Base IT3I, Midterm Assessment 1. So, dito sa assessment na to is gagawa ng PowerPoint. So, yung ginawa kong PowerPoint is andun na yung assessment 1 to 4. So, play ka ng current slide. So, assessment 1, form handling and validation, the foundation of secure data. Form handling and validation are essential for collecting data that is accurate, complete, and secure. Proper validation protects the integrity of the database and blocks out malicious inputs. First is ensuring data accuracy. Validation checks ensure all inputs meet required standards, preventing incomplete or incorrect entries. Second is preventing malicious input. Blocks threats like SQL injection and XSS attacks, safeguarding the system and user information. And lastly, improving user experience. Customized error messages provide clear, specific feedback, guiding users to correct their submissions. Laravel's built-in security measures automated protection against common vulnerabilities. Laravel is designed with security in mind, providing features that automatically mitigate common web vulnerabilities. SQL injection protection. Eloquent ORM and Query Builder use preferred statements to prevent injection attacks automatically. CSRF tokens ensures that all submitted forms originate from legitimate sources within the application. Mass assignment control. Protection mechanism to control which database fields can be automatically filled with the request data. Assessment 2. Authentication and middleware. Securing routes and managing user sessions. Laravel's authentication systems simplifies user management while middleware acts as security checkpoint, filtering requests before they reach the core application logic. Middleware as a security gate filters incoming requests, ensuring only authorized users can access restricted routes or resources like administrator, or panels. Streamline built-in auth handles user registration, login, password encryption, and secure session management automatically. And lastly, role-based access control. Custom middleware can be created to restrict root access based on specific user roles like admin and editor. Scalability for large user base is achieved through optimized session management and token-based system like Laravel Passport or Sanctum. Assessment 3. CRUD operations. Secure data manipulation. The create, read, update, and delete operations are fundamental to any web application. In Laravel, security and validation are integrated at every step to maintain database integrity. So, first is create. Form submission is handled by a controller, validate, sanitize, and stored securely in the database. 2 is read. Controller fetches data and blade views present it to the user in a readable, up-to-date format. Third is update. Updated data is validated against rules before saving changes, keeping records current and accurate. And lastly is delete. protected by CSRF tokens, user user authentication, and confirmation steps to prevent malicious or accidental data loss. Validation and sanitation are crucial here, ensuring that input is cleaned to remove potentially malicious code like XSS before any database interaction. So, assessment for Google reCAPTCHA integration, distinguishing users from bots. Google reCAPTCHA adds a vital layer or security to web forms, preventing spam, automated registrations, and abusive submissions by verifying human interaction. Uh, In the front end, the site key is used to display the reCAPTCHA widget on the form. And in the back end, the secret key is used on the server side to securely verify the user's response with Google. During validations, Laravel sends the response and the secret key to Google server. Only a verified, legitimate response allows the form submission to proceed. Implementing reCAPTCHA in Laravel. And the four steps. Integrating reCAPTCHA requires configuration in the environment and seamless integration into the form submission workflow. So first is install package. Add the compatible reCAPTCHA package to your Laravel project via Composer. Number two is configure keys. Store the site and secret keys securely in your environment settings in the .env file. Third is add widget to form. Include the necessary code in your blade template to display the reCAPTCHA widget. And lastly, number four is server-side validation. Validate the user's response in the controller before parsing the form data. So, key takeaways for secure Laravel development. Mastering these concepts ensures that your web applications are robust, secure, and offer a positive user experience. Validate early and often. Never trust user input. Use Laravel's validation rules and form requests extensively. Harness middleware. Middleware. Use middleware to enforce access control and authentication checks efficiently across routes. Leverage built-in security. Rely on CSRF tokens, eloquent protection, and mass assignment prevention for core defense.